Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 advanced project 4 to 7. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 advanced project 4 to 7. So next we move to the main project steps. So total step is 9. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the place Hill 4 start files if the workbook so click enable editing button so you can modify it. The file will be renamed automatically. Include your name and change the project file if I directed it to do so by your instructor and save it. Go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel files Placers Hills 4. So question number 1 is complete and we move to question number 2. So question number 2 is apply the conditional formatting with the formula and select the cell E5 to E26 on the listening sheets. Build a conditional formatting formula to display the address cells in light 10 for frame construction. The formula is equal to K5 is equal to frame and light 10 third column plate 3. So select the E5 to E26, copy the range and go to the listening worksheets and press enter. So select the E5 to E26 on the listening sheets. Listening sheets and build the conditional formatting So next conditional formatting to display the address cells in the light 10 for the frame construction. So build it in conditional formatting formula. So build in conditional formatting formula to display the address in cell light 10 for a frame construction. The formula is equal to K5 is equal to frame and light 10 in the third column in the color plate. So E5 to E26, go to the home tabs and click the conditional formatting. Click the menu rules. So next, click choose in formula. And next is equal to K5 and is equal to frame. Copy the formula and paste the formula, and light and third column in the color palette. Format and next click the fill colors, third column in the color palettes. Click OK. Formatting. Edit a rule and next one. OK. And click apply and click close. So we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is pivot field in pivot tables and complete the formatting. Select the pivot table sheets and deselect the city fields in the pivot tables fields and show the agent ID field in row area and show the agent ID field in the row area and show the sales price fields to the time area. So next select the pivot table sheets and deselect the city field in the pivot table field bin. Deselect the city fields. Deselect the city field and next show the agent ID field in the row area. Agent ID field in the row area. So next agent ID field, drag to the row area and next show the sale price field 2 times in the value area. So next show the sale price to the value area. So next sale price, show the sale price for 2 times in the value area. sale price to the two-time value area. And next, format the first occurrence of the sale price field, custom name, total sale and currency with the 0 decimal places. So next, format the first occurrence sale price, first sale price with the value field setting. Open the value field setting dialog box. First occurrence sale price with the custom number format, total sale and currency with the 0 decimal places. So sale price with the custom number format to total sales and currency with the 0 decimal places. Total sales and currency with 0 decimal places. Click OK and again OK. So next, format the second occurrence of the sale price field with the name average sales and choose the average is the calculation and use the currency with the 0 decimal places. Next is sale price. Second sale price, click value field setting. Open the value field setting dialog box with the name is average sales, is average sales so next custom name is average sales and choose the average calculation and use the currency with the 0 decimal places. Select the average, number format, currency with the 0 decimal places. Currency with the 0 decimal places and click OK and again OK. So next, apply the light gray pivot style light 15. So light gray pivot style light 15s. Go to the pivot table tabs. So you go to the design tabs and light gray pivot style light 15. 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 Click OK. And next, apply the all border to cell A3 to C9. So next, apply the all border to cell A3 to C9 and press enter. And next, apply the all borders. And apply the all borders. Go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the apply the all borders. Click OK. So question number 3 is complete. So if you want to complete similar project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 4, Advanced Project 4 to 7.